Hello, fifth grade. Today we're going to talk about how to make a mini color wheel practice using tempera cakes. Now this may be because I'm out again taking care of my sick kiddos, so you might have a substitute. So let's go over some of the things you need on your table so you can complete this assignment today. And I will be checking your work when I return to make sure that you did it correctly. So with all integrity, that means doing the right thing even when you think no one is watching. These are the rules. You are positive, that means nothing hurtful or harmful today in class. Productive, you're working on my assignment and nothing else. And finally, safe, you're in control of your bodies, coming in, lining up, and you're cleaning up materials, right? We need to have a safe place where we're not going to have a mess. So, what do you need? You'll need a color wheel paper, put your name on it, a palette of tempera paint, a container of water. It's only about half full, less chance of spilling. This glossy stuff, this is called palette paper, where you'll mix your paint. A color wheel to look off of, and some paper towel. Your objective is to do the following. Here are the rules. Circle, circle, circle in my water. Circle, circle, circle in my tempera paint, and it activates it just like watercolor. And you're going to paint your color wheel in correspondence carefully. My ballerina brush is always on her tippy toes. No booty scooty scooping paintbrushes. And I always clean in between. If you catch somebody at your table sliming up their paint or tapping their brush, politely correct them to do the right step. I've painted my blue. The space next to my blue is my blue violet. It's an intermediate color on my color wheel. That means it's in between one primary and one secondary. We already know we get violet by mixing red and blue, and it's already in my container. So let's just mix the intermediate color. Circle, circle, circle in my water. Circle, circle, circle in my blue, and I put it on my palette paper. Clean my brush. Circle, circle, circle in my water, and I might need to wipe it on my paper towel. Or if I've gotten it clean enough, I can circle, circle, circle in my violet paint on my palette paper, and then I get these two to meet. This is my blue violet. It's a color that's intermediate. That means in the middle. It's not quite blue and it's not quite violet. It's a blue violet. You go to intermediate school, and that's because you are in the middle between primary and secondary. So, artists, I want you today to paint your 12-step color wheel. When they are done, artwork goes to the drying rack. Papers go to the trash. All of this stuff, this goes back to the sinks. Leave it for your sub. They'll dump it and take care of it. These will go into a pile. These can go back on the cart. Put everything back where you got it so that your table is empty and your supplies are clean. Let's give this a try today, artists. Good luck.